Do you feel like you should be making more money? Are you currently working your day job, which is your career, you enjoy it, but you're like, man, I see all these people on the internet making money and I just don't know where to start, but like, why am I not doing that? If that's you, click the link and check out the free online workshops. It'll teach you how to start and create an online business from scratch. So that was me. I was working my day job, I enjoyed it, but I was like, man, I'm just not making very much money. I feel like I should be able to make a lot more. There is so much money in the world, and I'm enjoying my work. I make good money, but it's nothing like I should be able to. What do I do? So that's when I decided to take matters into my own hand. I tried kind of Amazon, but I just, the thought of managing an inventory and like finding a product, that just wasn't for me. And so I came across this ad, just like this one, which was for affiliate marketing, where you can make a commission by selling someone else's product. And I was like, oh man, that's me. I do that all the time. I find something that I love, I tell all my friends about it. I'm like, you gotta try this is amazing. And so here I am. I was like, I found out through these workshops that I could do the same thing on a mass scale. So the thing about my job or your job is that you can't just quit because you need the job to sustain your lifestyle or support your family or your personal and professional responsibilities. So what do? It's like, all right, I could either give up on my dreams and aspirations, or I could find something that fit my current lifestyle that I could grow at my own pace, something that fit my needs. And the saying of like, someone sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Well, that's what I'm doing. On my own time, on Sunday afternoons or evenings, once or twice a week, here I am poised to scale my business so that down the road, I can be sitting in the shade. So look, if that's you, click the link. Check out these free online workshops that'll teach you how to start and grow an online business from scratch. There's a couple of options out there. There's the affiliate marketing, which is right up my alley. It's just like what you're seeing now. But there's also physical products and a few other things that they free up your time so that eventually you can work on projects you really care about. You can spend more time with your family. You can go on trips. You can buy things that empower you to live your life that you really want to. Unlike your current job that just has a limited amount of money that you can make. Now, I watched these workshops and I gained a ton from them. I mean, here I am, I have an online business, I have a website, I've learned a ton of digital skills, I'm learning how to market. And these workshops gave me more in-depth training to help me grow my business. They really just held my hand along the way. It was up to me on weekends, in the evenings, to work on this business and grow it myself with the skills and the software and everything that I needed to build it. So look, if that's you, if you're similar to me where you enjoy your job, but like you just know there's more out there and you want to build something for yourself, a second income source, then click the link and check out the free workshops that'll teach you how to grow and build an online business from scratch just like this. Now, I will say this isn't for everyone, but you're not alone. There's over 3,000 community members just like you and me who are like-minded, and they're all in the same position I am and you are, where you're trying to grow a business from scratch. Everyone's there supporting each other, helping each other, sharing their results, sharing their challenges, and helping each other work through it, and it's awesome. Okay, so what are these workshops? These workshops will teach you everything you need to know to build an online business where you're either a physical products or affiliate marketing so that you can create an online business from scratch, promoting other people's products and services and making a commission off that. So look, if this is you, click the link, sign up, send me your email, and I'll send you the workshops right away. They'll be in your inbox within minutes. And check out the free workshop. It'll teach you how to start and grow an online business from scratch. And I've done it. I've been there. I am a product of this product. So look, it doesn't matter if you have personal or professional responsibilities. You can do this on your own time. With these workshops, there's additional modules that they're videos. And so you go in, you record them, and you do a little bit of work. You go back to your day job, your kids, whatever, and then you come back and you work a little more. So you can do it on your own time. Look, the other thing is, you might be nervous because maybe you suck at technology. And I'm actually like pretty good at technology, but a lot of this stuff was new to me. There are digital skills that I have learned, and they have held my hand walking me through these things because I just didn't know. I couldn't figure it out. And if you still can't figure it out, there's people in the community that you're like, hey man, can someone just connect with me and show me how to do this? And they're right there. There's over 3,000 that they're awesome. They're like, oh yeah, hey, check this resource out, or let's connect, let's do a Zoom call. It's awesome. Okay, check it out. If you're still here, I think that you want this. I'm gonna do my last call to action. Click the link and sign up. Check out the free workshops. If you don't like it, just unsubscribe. Can't tell you how often I unsubscribe, but if you're still here, it's time for you to send me your email and check it out, because if you're still here, you're gonna like this. I guarantee it.